What do you think is the most interesting project you ever had to work on for a client?
We actually started not too long ago. Our company only 2 years. Uh, uh, we actually work for pretty much all the major listed company in Hong Kong already. So we have basically every project is interesting because we do not have the template. This is more like a customer driven. We
Hmm.
do I recently have a project. It's more like uh, it's called Dignity Kitchen. It's basically we're helping the disabled people to get a job through our app so they can like FaceTime for in the restaurant. But the people actually the worker the server is disabled, right? They're crippled. But the thing is that we I think it's more like helping the society get people get more from get a job. You just have to be using Flutter, make an app on a tablet to do FaceTime with a machine like a Temi. We have a robot that actually make delivery. So so I can see it's more use case as people have the money, they can actually allow people get jobs.
So
So
for this,
is it interesting enough? It's
yeah, yeah, no, it's interesting. But you just mentioned something about this robot, right? You use Flutter on a robot, is that correct?
yeah, yeah. We develop a Flutter plugin that was designed for robots. So we because most of the robots in the world actually is Android based. So we do
Okay.
interpolation from an Android native transform to Flutter. So actually it's open source. So we open source our whatever robot plugin to community use. So we just, it's a due diligence, you have to do something for the give back to community.
So what does this robot actually do? And do people actually use this plugin?
Oh, basically it's just a moving tablet. For me, it's just a robot that can actually navigate itself in the environment. It can speak. They can have a native engines. So you can remote it as yourself. So you can do like a telepresence of yourself in a meeting. It's called Tammy actually. It's a guy from Israel developed this kind of a part job on LinkedIn describe what kind of robot it is. It's this a personal robot designed for you uh, navigating space. So, but you can talk about a lot about that robot because it's kind of like a booming business in Hong Kong. So
Really? I've only seen that robot one time.
yeah,
I've only seen it in some co-working space. I can't remember now. But yeah, I do remember seeing this robot. The robot,
yeah.
I
Actually,
mean,
there's
let's just say the robot just reminds me of like a tablet or an iPad on a vacuum cleaner. Is what it looks like
yeah,
to me.
yeah. That's exactly what it is. But hear me out. The function it carry out now would be a sanitize, right? We talk about cleaning the house, right? So we actually cook. We actually have a sanitize kit that was designed for that robot. So it walks around cleaning the house. It would make delivery. Um, Basically, that robot, every Hong Kong hospital will have one of those robots. Every Hong Kong hospital, that's like a couple thousands already, right? Every like the senior house, the senior people house, every senior house in Hong Kong, people like they will have one of those Temi in their room. Okay, so you are too young for it. So basically, actually, that machine, that robot, is already deployed in thousands already.
Just in Hong Kong. There's thousands in
Yeah,
Hong Kong. Is that right? Okay, interesting.
about 6,000. Actually 6,000 robots. Yeah, because lots of them still in beta. Some of them were designed for internal, so you don't, they don't want you to see it yet because they were still, because they think about security. That robot walks around, so they think about security. They think they may people steal it and do some damage to it. Actually, we got lots of work from Temi, but we also go work all over the world. Or we got work from Italy. We got work from United States. We also got work from China for now. So we got some new jobs coming in, and we just make it for 'em. So
Wow, that's quite exciting.